Hey friends, I'm your host Saurabh from Technuter Review. Today I come with ASUS ROG G703 laptop and we will do the first impression for this laptop. So first I'm going to tell you the specification for this laptop. So a processor in this laptop is 8th generation Intel Core i9, graphics card is NVIDIA GeForce GTX, display is 17.3-inch wide wing angle, RAM in this laptop is 16 GB DDR4, internal storage is 2 TB 5400 RPM. This laptop runs on Windows 10 64-bit operating system. There are 4 USB ports in this laptop. Three are Type A ports and one is Type C ports, which are the back side of this laptop. In terms of the display output, there is one HDMI 2.0 port, one Type C port, and one MDP 1.3 port, which are backside of laptop. Like here you can see all of the ports which I already mentioned you. These are here, you can see. Apart from it, this laptop comes with 7 hotkeys. By it you can do a different kind of the operation by using those 7 hotkeys. The weight of this laptop is 4.70 kgs, which is a little bit heavy. You can't hold it or put in your backpack and travel here to there. But this laptop is surely for the high-end gamers who love to game. Okay, so friend, on the it, these are the some ports which are the backside of this laptop here, and this is the top view of ASUS ROG G703. Here you can see. So friend, this is my the first impression for the ASUS ROG G703 laptop. This laptop is good for the heavy gamers. All of the gamers who wants to play high-end games, so this laptop is for them. And apart from it, there is one USB for this laptop that you can convert this laptop to Xbox in only one key, and those keys are available in the hotkeys which I told you that there are 7 hotkeys in this laptop. So friends, this is my first impression for the ASUS ROG G703 laptop. Hope you liked my this video. So friend, please like this video, share this video, and subscribe my channel Technuter Review. I'll come very soon with different video. For that time, thanks.